different diseases caused by the prions. We continue with the TSE, transmissible spongiform encephalopathy by the prions. Now transmissible mink encephalopathy. This is disease caused in the minks or many other similar animals. It is caused by prions, of course, the misfolded prions, misfolded proteins, which are called the prions. Progressive and fatal neurodegenerative disease. Very fatal and very lethal disease. Host species are the minks or the similar kind of the animals. Once signs are evident, death is inevitable. It is very difficult that some of the minks can be survived from this kind of the disease. Other host species are the raccoons, skunks, parrots, and hamsters. This is one of the animal which is died. Geographical distribution in the USA from 1947 to 1985. Then it is also seen in the Canada, Finland, and Germany, similarly in the developed countries. Then the transmission, maybe the prions can be transmitted through the oral route. Wounds on the tongue, which is the mechanical injury and which are the very important for the transmission of the prions. Mucous membranes, similar way in the skins, there may be some wounds on the skin or on the tongue, which can cause the prion proteins can be transmitted through them. Here once again the mink, and which is caused what kind of the sign and symptoms which are prevalent in such kind of the minks, which is disease is caused by the prions. We will see the different signs of symptoms which are prevalent, what kind of sign and symptoms in the minks or in the raccoons. Difficulty in eating and swelling. Of course, most of the time we already see that this is the degenerative brain tissue. So degenerative brain tissue, the sign and symptoms which are more evident with the brain, which are isolated, which are prevalent with the brain. Difficulty in eating and the swallowing. Hyperexcitable, of course it will be very excited. Incoordination, clenching of the jaw, which is also present with the brain. And then the convulsions and the death is inevitable.